rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. For whatever reason, I like to make these videos in the morning to be inspiring. Right now, it's my banana water. I get a can, fill it up with water. I just sprinkle it on. This is my strawberries. And actually, this is my feet. First time in 8 years, I am not wearing shoes in my garden. Whoa. I even have strawberries here. Last year, I had 5 strawberries. This year, I have hundreds of them. Fresh strawberry in the morning. Super, super exciting. My garden is ready. I planted maybe about 1,500, 2,000 plants. Third year in a row. I still have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. I added water, water to my daily ritual. Banana water, right there. Look at that. Whoa. I got 3 of these cans to spread the love. This is my pickle patch. Whoa. Over there is my strawberry patch, and all these are pots, tomato pots. I think I got like 20. Oh, just a tomato. Whoa. How exciting is that? And there's no rabbits. Whoa. I put forks in all the beds against the rabbits. So this way, when someone gets hurt, they tell all their buddies, just don't go in there. There's plenty of forks. I really like doing this in the morning. I don't have that much time. So if you don't have time and you want to exercise and you want to do your garden and you want to work and you want to do your garden and you want to have a good time, you got to eat fruit. There's no way around that. If you work 15, 16 hours a day, every single day, even since COVID, you got to eat your fruit. Can't overemphasize that. Because this way you have loads of energy, feeling super, rock and roll, living a dream, boom, 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 boom. And this is how I feel pretty much every single day. Right now, see all this? I gotta put hay here. I looked for hay last night, couldn't find it. I think it's collards. God, boy, they're big. Big mistake I made last year, or this year, was I didn't cut down the old kale. I got all these flowers blooming. I think it ruins the kale, but I'm not really sure. But I don't know. I made a strawberry. Anyway, it's 7:15, 7:20. Exercise, shopping, working. Have fun in the sun. Bye.